Hello everybody. This is a video today I made just to show you how nice it feels to be free. I heard my calling, and my calling was to move out to a quieter place. I lived in Karachi, but I wanted to come out of the noisy and the hustle bustle life of Karachi and wanted a little peace. And my calling was to come to Pindi, Islamabad and stay in Bahria Town. I listened to my calling and I followed my intuition, and slowly I landed up in a beautiful little home, and I feel so happy and free. This video is to show you how nice I feel and my little adventure today in the afternoon to go and have chana chaat and enjoy myself.
Hello everybody. Today I want to show you a little bit of Bahria town where I'm living in Pindi. It is Pindi or Islamabad, I don't know, but we are going towards phase 4. I live in phase 8. So that is a new development, and now we are going towards phase 4. So I'm just going to show you. See, beautiful. It's so nicely spread out, and you can see there's construction going on over here. There's a lot of greenery and it's very neat and clean. If you can see, it is so neat and clean, and this is a building which is being constructed. I don't know what they're making over here, but it's pretty big. Oh, it is a hospital. Okay, Bashiran Umar Eye Hospital. Okay. So we've turned now towards a bridge, and you can see all the houses and all over there. But the topmost thing is it's very clean. It's very clean and very nice. Very different from the other cities like Karachi and all that. So no kachra anywhere. So people are more aware of keeping their city clean over here, and very well maintained. And see the flowers. Beautiful. Look at the greenery. There's so much greenery over here. All colors of green. You will say all shades of green. And here's the mosque. A very pretty mosque. Very nice. You see these beautiful bungalows. Very nice. And I'll show you the other side. The other side is all green. Let me see. I'm going to move to the other side. Okay. Now you can see it's all green. See, it's like a park. People can come and sit here. It's so beautiful. See? Oh, another construction going on over here. Nice big houses. Beautiful big houses. And the weather is nice and cool. Not very cold. In the night it becomes cold. Oh, there's construction going on over here. A lot of new things being built. It's not very cold. It's very pleasant. But in the night it becomes very cold. So it's still daytime, around 4:35. But see the cleanliness everywhere. A little bit here and there if the construction is going on, but then mainly it is very clean. So that way, I enjoy this place because there's a lot of greenery over here, and then staying near the greenery, it's like oxygen, and you feel very healthy and you breathe very well because of this greenery. It's really nice.
Actually, I wanted to have chana chaat, and we were looking around. So we landed in this mall.
Okay, I'm back, and now we are in a mall. It's kind of a mall. Let me show you. It's a big building, and you can see all the shops, and there are shops downstairs also. There's a little cafe here. Okay, we are going up into the mall, and just to discover, this is in phase 4 in Bahria town. This is in phase 4. Okay, this is the mall. Beautiful mall. We are enjoying it. The weather is beautiful. Really enjoying the walk into the mall. Oh, we are going into a shop right now. The shop is okay. I'm going to show a little bit over here. This is all tailoring shops. All tailoring shops over here. I think it's a newly constructed mall, so some of the shops are empty, but it's nice going round and round. Okay, this is all tailoring shops. All right, after this, I'll be showing you more. Let me go the other side to see what's going on over there. Okay, we have this utility store, I think. They have all these things. And this is a camera shop. Oh, okay. So I'm getting back into the person who's showing us around. Actually, he has a shop over here. So I'm getting into the shop and show you the shop inside. The beautiful laces. Okay, so they're nice, beautiful laces over here. And this is the tailor, and he seems to be a good tailor. More coming. Having hot tea. Very nice tea. In a cold weather, having hot tea is like heaven, heaven. Wonderful. I just had a peanut chicky, and now I'm having hot tea. Very nice. And then in a little while, we're planning to go and have chana chole. So that is another treat. Yeah, coming back to you very soon. Again. We are at Chana Chaat shop. This is a beautiful cafe and tasty chana chaat. So I'm going to show it to you. Yeah. You can see there's dahi bada and there's some kind of, just to make all the necessities to make the chana chaat. What?
Burger bhi hai, pizza bhi hai.
Oh, but have chana chaat. We come to have chana chaat.
Pehle chana chaat try karte hain.
Yeah.
Pehle chana chaat.
So they have papris and all that. There's different type of sauces. And so this is wonderful. So I'm going to sit over here. This is the chairs and the table. I'm going to sit here. And you can see outside. It's getting dark now. It's very dark. And okay. So as soon as the chana chaat comes, I'm going to show you. Yeah, here's the chana chaat. Okay, I'm going to show you the chana chaat. Here's the chana chaat. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy. Isn't it good? Okay.
We need to order one more like this.
What? It's good.
It's too good. भाईजान? हाँ?
We'll finish it.
अच्छा ये खत्म करके मैं फिर शायद एक और करूँगा।
Very nice. नहीं अभी नहीं।
अभी नहीं ठहर जा।
अभी नहीं, रुक जाओ। It's good.
सर आप भी खाए ना, आ जाए ना।
It's really good.
अच्छा सही से दे दीजिए सर। आइजन भाई।
Tasty. This is in phase 4. This place is called, क्या नाम है इस जगह का?
Phase 3.
ये phase 3 है। बहरिया, और आपकी दुकान का क्या नाम है? Vittles.
Yes.
Vittles.
आप डिलीवरी भी करते हैं?
ये phase 3 में है बहरिया टाउन,
ठीक है।
और इसका नाम है Vittles. Very tasty chaat over here. Must try it out. Okay, these people, they are giving Russian salad over here, and then they have fruit salad, and then they have dahi bada over here, and then they have chana chaat. So we just tried the chana chaat. Next time we come over here, I'll take the Russian salad. And I'll see how it is. And now to finish off a wonderful picnic, which we decided to do. Shaam se we were kind of ke chana chaat khana hai. So now I have the tea again, and this time it's nice and hot. Pichla wala bhi hot tha, but I left it there. So after this chana chaat and then nice sweet tea, hot tea, it's awesome, wonderful.
आपका नंबर क्या है?
So I'll be with you in a little while again. Yeah, this is Vittles, and this is the place where we had cholas, and we had tea. And this is Vittles. This is in phase 3, Bahria town. Very nice. We enjoyed it. बहुत मजा आया. Now where are we going? Yeah, it's already night now, and it's dark. It's not night, it's around about 6 o'clock, and this is the place. This is phase 3, right? And you can see beautiful plants over here, and so this is a nice beautiful park over here, but chunki it's dark right now, so I won't be able to show you the park, but next time when I come here, I'm going to show you the park when I come to eat the Russian salad. Beautiful. They've lighted it up पूरा New Year's के लिए.
Service message is brought to you by No One Honest Pharma Private Limited in collaboration with the Ministry of National Health Services, Regulations and Coordination.
Enjoy coffee with a beautiful view and don't worry about your friends' birthday celebrations because Gloria Jeans is offering a wonderful birthday package with free decor, cake, 2 meat courses, 2 coffees in only 3,000 plastics. Besides that, enjoy your delicious pizzas, sandwiches, burgers, salads, coffees and much more at Gloria Jeans. So do visit Gloria Jeans Centaurus, Gloria Jeans, Peer Sohava.
This is so beautiful. I had a calling to come here, and I'm so glad that I followed my calling and I listened to what my intuition was telling me, and I'm so happy to be in this place. So beautiful, colorful. And I feel that my intuition is going to take me to many other places. And I have a calling for many other places which I will share later. But right now, I want to share the beautiful feeling of being in Islamabad and roaming about, driving around in Islamabad in Bahria town. And look at this roundabout. This is so beautiful. Look at this. See, and notice the roads, how clean they are. How nice and clean. Now, this is Bahria town. Okay, it says Bahria town. See? This is some kind of mall. Galaxy Mall, it says.
So this is it, guys. A simple afternoon with a lot of enjoyment. See, you should do the things which your heart tells you to do. And I love this feeling of freedom, of wanting to do things which I want to do. And the quietness, well, right now it was quite noisy with the traffic and all those things. But the Bahria town is very quiet, very nice, very simple. And I'm going to do more videos and take you to more places, inshallah, in the near future. So thanks for watching.